Super healthy, delicious steak, potatoes and egg recipe. We can make this recipe under 30 minutes of our time. This is all God-made food. Premium ribeye steak. This one piece is 2 pounds and it costs $25. We will be making this steak in our air grill. This recipe can be your post-workout meal, or this recipe can be your delicious breakfast. So let's take this meat out from the packet, give it a quick rinse. We are boiling eggs 5 to 6 minutes. Eggs are in the water, it's on the high flame. Let's take the ribeye out. Here is the whole ribeye. Let's pat dry this and season it. This meal prep is under 25 minutes of your time. Let's turn on our indoor grill. Put it on grill. Temperature we need 510. Time we need 8 minutes. It's on the pre. Get your favorite steak seasoning. I'm using wood-fired garlic. You can just put salt and pepper in there if you want. Half spoon this side, half spoon this side. This is just a smoky garlic. Steak seasoning, it has the chilies, it has the salt, it has the cumin, it has the coriander. As I said, I'm giving you easy way to do. And super healthy. Pat it from the top. Ribeye premium steak is ready. I've taken 3 yellow potatoes, just cut it into veggie style. Make sure they're not super thick. 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of the black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Give it a good mix. Potatoes are ready. Steak is ready. We're just waiting for our air fry, air grill. We will be cooking these potatoes and the steak together in 8 minutes. And our eggs, they're almost there. So we need half-boiled eggs. The water has started boiling. It's gonna be a couple more minutes and then we will turn it off. Our grill is ready. Let's open this. Premium ribeye steak. Add it right here. No oils, nothing has been added to the steak. Take the fries, put it right next to it. Veggie fries, I would say. All right, so here you go. Let's close this down. We have 4 minutes to go. After 4 minutes, we will do a flip. Let's take our eggs out of the hot water. Put some cold water on top so the cooking stops. Since our steak is getting ready, let's prepare our dish out plate. I'm using some oranges, the lovely ones. Everybody loves it. It's a breakfast, right? We don't have enough time for the breakfast always, but we need healthy food. So here you go, a couple of the oranges. Some green apple. Apple and oranges are ready. It's been 4 minutes. Let's flip our steak. Delicious, juicy, yum. Wow. Look at this. Look at the char. Do you like it? Yes, sir, we do like it. Just move around a little bit on the potatoes so they get cooked. You see, if you don't move around, it's gonna not be cooking because they are sitting on top of each other. So move around so they get cooked evenly. Our delicious steak is getting ready. We have 4 minutes to go. It's right there. Let's grab our eggs now. Ta-da! 8 minutes are gone. I was able to skin my eggs. Don't look at the don't look at the differences. I was speeding up. So the thing is, we have half-boiled eggs, we have apples, we have oranges, we have steak and potatoes. They are right here in 8 minutes. My friend, look at the potato, the char on potato and the steak still sizzling. It's completely done. It's gonna be the juiciest steak ever. Literally, you can make this recipe under 20 minutes of your time. Let me grab this beauty. Whoa, it's so tender, it's gonna break itself apart. No oils, nothing. It's all juicy, it's all tender. Look at the crisp on it. Here you go, our potatoes. Oh, they are so soft just by grabbing it. Look at this. This is the moment of truth. We want the juiciest steak ever possible. So here you go. Wow. Wow. Yum. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let me show you like this. Look at these pieces. Look at this. Premium quality ribeye. Okay, how about let's dress it right next to our, here. Who don't want this breakfast? You tell me. This piece, I'll put it like this. So it's gonna be appetizing. Wow, man. What an easy, delicious, whole meal we made. Our egg, half-boiled egg. Good point is they are not liquidy. And does it complete your breakfast? Now, fully done, under 15 minutes. Make this recipe. We'll do a taste test in a minute. This is the taste test of our delicious, healthy, super healthy ribeye steak, boiled eggs, apples, grilled potatoes, or you can say air fried potatoes, right? And oranges. This is all God-made food. Mixing and all that, there's nothing about it. So where should I start? Let's start with this small piece. It's tender. Man. Oh my goodness. Steak, right? There's so much to go on. Steak, potato, and egg. Look at this combo. You cannot go wrong with steak and this recipe. You want to wash this down? Take some oranges. Really awesome, really delicious, premium example of how to eat healthy. It's so good, I'm sweating. I'll see you on the next one. As I said, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on Monday. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are the days we post new content. This is the bite for you. Set a tray like this for yourself. You're gonna be happy. Literally, it will take 15 minutes for you to cook it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now. It was so good.